Like other parts of the country, alcohol and drug and substance abuse has derailed my youth from becoming the best version of themselves. Our future fathers, our future leaders, our pastors, our missionaries and our ambassadors and future presidents are where you can see they are. They are the ones you can see sitting in front of me, looking like dejected human beings. But these are beautiful and handsome men. Ukiosha huyu wako hapa mbele huyu, unaona hata meno vile imekaa sawa. Nilisema nitawasafisha niwaweke masuti mpaka watu watawachoka. Most of the time, teenage pregnancy gets accompanied by HIV and AIDS infections and gender-based violence. Additionally, children marriages or other unions become inevitable. I urge we say no to the teenage pregnancies, and also so that we may spare our young mothers and fathers so that they can grow mature. Ndio muweze kwenda mkioa munaoa wale wamekomaa. Mnasikia nini watoto wenu? Ndio tuwe na maboma mzuri. Musiende huko machochoro na kuharibu watoto wangu. Mnasikia?